Okay, so now Michael's actually going to take the nuts off
You don't
this thing.
have lock nuts, do you?
No, but you know what? I've seen Trevor do this, so give me a second. I think we're in trouble, boys.
What direction are you supposed to go?
To the
I think you're supposed to go up, aren't you? No. Or down.
This is why I don't work in the mechanics bay.
Then you say you don't have, those aren't locked on?
I don't know. I don't see no instructions.
That's right, they put the instructions on the wheel.
Well, if you didn't put them on, I don't imagine they...
Well, what is this tool?
I have no idea.
Looks like it's for the stem.
Oh!
Yeah, if you lower your car a little bit, you'll...
Oh, that's
You
true.
won't have to stop the wheel from spinning.
Well, he got one nut off.
Yeah. Son of a bitch!
Yeah, that's it. They put them on with those air things. And... I remember one time I took